Hi everyone, this is your online year meeting. So we're going to be covering the following things. The agenda for this meeting is going to look at assessment changes, the new year rep roles, Hello Yellow event, tutor feedback and study skills. So if you have a look on your Blackboard site, I've uploaded a fantastic screencast that Petra has done. And this highlights some key changes regards to the assessment regulations. So once you've watched the screencast, I then want you to look through the PowerPoint slides, as that also contains some hyperlinks with more information. So some key changes, but one of the main ones is that there's going to be it'll be a 3 p.m. hand-in time. I know originally it's been 3:30, 4 o'clock, but it's actually 3 o'clock hand-in time. So that doesn't really matter for your PPD3 as such, but it'll matter for all your other assignments. That's a 3 o'clock hand-in time. But watch this screencast that Petra's done. So the new year rep roles, we had 5 volunteers for year reps, and I've accepted all expressions of interest because I think you're a big cohort and there's lots to think about this year regards to the ball and conference and all that. So we've got Holly, Sarah, Gemma, Lucy and Natalie, so thank you very, very much for that, and we'll be catching up soon. But just so you know, they will be your level 6 year reps. So I got the Hello Yellow event, and huge congratulations to those who contributed. I understand, I think it was £70 that you raised for the Young Minds charity, and it would sound like it was a great day. It was done in the Robert Winston building, and the girls who facilitated the session set up a public living room, which was a great idea and linked really nicely to World Mental Health Day. So the public living room is an initiative by a charity called Camarados, and their philosophy is the answer to our problems is in each other, and they try to encourage people to connect and open up with each other, share problems and just have a space really for people to just be themselves, and they created that in Robert Winston building, so that was fantastic. Well done. So tutor feedback, so I've been getting lots of informal feedback and it's been really, really lovely. Bit of a spelling mistake there, just change that. So yeah, the tutors have generally been saying that you're really engaged, motivated and really keen to learn. And from my own perspective as well, I've been really impressed with the level of motivation, particularly with volunteering for CPD opportunities. So obviously I had the 5 volunteers for the year rep, and also had lots of volunteers for the activity analysis training that I emailed out about. I think I had about 6 or 7 people volunteer for that. So that's really good, that's fantastic, and that's really what we want to see in your 3rd year. And all these additional things look great on your CV when you're going to be applying for jobs, so well done for that. So just a gentle reminder about the skills suite, so I've hyperlinked that there, is that within the library you've got so many courses that you can look at: self-organisation, writing, group work and presenting, referencing, being critical. Lots of you have done the one about being critical, and apparently there's an advanced one as well now, so that'd be really good. So keep reminding yourself of the skills suite and all the courses that has to offer for you. So any other business, what I'd like you to do following this screencast and after you've watched the screencast by Petra on the assessment regs, is just go to your Google community and under the year meetings, agenda questions or any questions post here, just pop any questions that you want there. So I need to answer that by Liz about the hoodies. I think there's a link through the intranet, so I'll pop that on there. So yeah, that's it for the bulk of it. So watch this screencast, then watch the screencast by Petra around assessment regs, and then go through the PowerPoint and look at some of the hyperlinks with the additional information on there. And finally, post any other business or anything more you want to discuss on the Google communities. Alright, thank you. Oh, I don't think that's recorded. Oh, hang on.